Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, we'll be talking about GameChanger, a free app for coaches and scorekeepers to track game lives, manage stats, and stream video for teams. It works for baseball, softball, basketball, soccer, and more. So let's check it out. GameChanger offers powerful features like live game scoring, 150 plus stats, and spray chart, live video streaming, team messaging, scheduling, and more, all free for coaches and staff. Now let's get into how to use it. First, to do that, you need to download your app if you haven't. So go to the App Store, search GameChanger on your search bar, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, and then you'll see the install button right here. So tap on install and then open up your app. Once you're in, sign in or create your account, set roster, schedule events, and add players. You can even import from Sports Connect or Max Preps. On game day, tap the game on the home screen, select score game, and record plays in real time with the latest update. Common actions like ball, strikes, and fielding are always visible for faster tracking. You can stream live using your phone or camera. Views get animated, game stream, audio broadcast, and video playback. Premium fans can access highlight clips and archives too. For team management features, GameChanger also helps run your season smoothly, send team messages, sync schedules even from Sports Connect, share photos, and manage rosters all inside the app. Once the game wraps, GameChanger generates detailed stats, batting averages, pitching data, spray charts, and a recap story. Coaches and parents get valuable insights at a glance. And that's all about GameChanger. You're all in one app for live scoring, streaming, stats, and team management. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if it did, and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.